New hair, new phone number. Period. Hey babes and my lovelies, what's popping? What's the tea? Tell me everything. It's your girl Orion and I'm back with a new video. I'm so excited to be back. And honey, I'm ready to spill the tea about this wig. Thank you AliPearl for sponsoring this video, but it's not because you sponsored that video that I'm not going to spill the tea to the honeys. So I hope you are ready. I installed this hair by myself. You know, I'm very brand new in styling my hair by myself, but look at the results. Look at the result, honey. What? This is perfect. This is perfection. I'm doing my hair by myself now. So this is hair 101 for beginners. Yeah. So yeah, today I'm going to talk about this beautiful wig from AliPearl. This is a 26-inch 6x6 or 5x5 closure. Everything will be in the description, but it's a closure because it's too hard for me to put a lace frontal. So this is a closure. It's a deep wave wig. So if you are looking for an affordable, easy to install wig, quality but not too expensive, this video is for you. I'm going to install this beautiful wig on my head. So hope you're ready. Get you some little snacks, some water, some tea, some wine if you want, and let's get straight to the video.
So babes, got my hair from AliPearl and it came in this beautiful gold box. This is a HD lace closure. It came already pre-plucked, which made me very happy. I just had to bleach the knots. These are the curls straight out of the box. Very beautiful, very gorgeous. I loved it. Honestly, I was impressed. I got more goodies in my box: a melting band, some lashes, and some more lashes. For extra security, they added an elastic band inside the wig and 3 combs on each side. I add some foundation on my lace and I add the remaining on my wig cap so it can look like my skin. With my melting spray, I came and I spray all over my wig cap so it can melt onto my skin, dry it, and I put my wig on. Easy peasy and very quick. I went and adjust the wig around my head, around my hair, so I can be more comfortable wearing it. Then I went with some more foundation on my lace closure and straight jump into my got2b and sprayed all over my lace. Then I wrap my hair with my AliPearl melting band and I started to work on my lace closure. The process was very easy. I part each side of the closure in small parts and I hot combing. I use a wax stick to wax it down, then went over with the hot comb. Then I used the melting spray and went over with the hot comb. I just repeat this process all over the closure on small parts and it was just perfect. As you can see, this side is flatter than the other side and I just repeat the process on the other side. That's it. Very easy. Few minutes after, I just came and cut my lace with my scissor and my razor. I add more melting spray so the lace can actually melt very good into my skin. This melting spray is so good because after that I couldn't see the lace anymore. Then I started to detangle my hair with some water all over in my fingers. I sprayed the water all over and I put some mousse so the curls can pop. I run my fingers through the hair and that's all I did. And I repeat the same process on the other side of the hair. Very simple, just water, mousse, and finger. Then I used my mist and I sprayed all over the hair so I can lock my curls. After that, I just let my hair air dry and this is the finished look.
So babes, this is the finished look. I absolutely love this hair. I love the curls. It was so easy to install. It was very easy to install. So if you like me, you don't know how to do your hair and you want something quick to put on, this wig is for you. This is an affordable wig. It's a HD lace and it's long. It's 26-inch. The hair goes all the way down to my crack. Honestly, AliPearl, good job with the wig. I love it. So far so good. I experienced a little bit of shading, which is normal because it's curly hair and you have to detangle to be able to make the curls pop. So I experienced a little bit of shading, not too much, but I feel like if you take good care of your hair, you can have it for a long time. Let me know in the comment down below what you think about my install so far for a beginner. That's it for the video today. Thank you AliPearl for sponsoring me. I hope you guys will sponsor me again. So thank you so much for watching this video, babes. Don't forget to follow me on my different social media. Don't forget to watch my videos on my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.